Hello everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Ristian Diva Destiana. I am from the second semester Mathematics Education Study Program at University PGRI Madiun. I will explain about plane geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the properties of figure in space. And plane geometry is flat surface in two-dimensional space. Three concepts to consider in plane geometry are: 1. A point. This represents the position and has no dimension. 2. A line. This is a straight segment in one dimension, with no beginning and no end. Two lines are said to be parallel if they lie on the same plane and don't intersect each other. A pair of parallel lines have the same slope. Two lines are said to be perpendicular if they intersect each other at right angle. A line segment is a line with two endpoints. A ray is a line with a fixed starting point and endpoint that goes on forever. 3. A plane. This is a flat surface that extended indefinitely into dimension. Next, angles. Angles are useful when it comes to describing polygons such as quadrilateral and triangles. An angle is formed by the union of two rays. These rays meet at a common endpoint. Types of angles are: 1. Acute angles, less than 90 degrees. 2. Right angles equal to 19 degrees. 3. Obtuse angles, more than 90 degrees. 4. Straight angles equal to 180 degrees. 5. Reflex angles more than 180 degrees. 6. Full rotation equal to 360 degrees. An interior angle is an angle inside a shape and is formed by two sides of the polygon. An exterior angle is an angle between any side of a shape and a line extended from the next side of the polygon. Two angles are called supplementary if they add up to 180 degrees, and two angles are said to be complementary if they add up to 90 degrees. Next, congruence and similarity. Two objects are said to be congruent if they are of equal shape and size, and two objects are said to be similar if they have the same shape but not the same size. Next, symmetry. The term symmetry refers to a shape that maintains its form when it is moved, rotates or flipped. An object is said to be symmetrical if it contains two matching halves. Types of symmetry are: 1. Reflection symmetry, a form of symmetry that mirrors an object. 2. Rotational symmetry, a property in which a shape looks the same after a rotation or partial turn. 3. Point symmetry, two same objects are reflected in opposite direction and are equidistant from a central point. Next, polygons. A polygon is a two-dimensional shape made up of straight lines. If all the sides and all the angles of a polygon are equal, it is called a regular polygon. Otherwise, it is called an irregular polygon. Next, triangles. A triangle is a polygon with three sides and three vertices. The sum of the interior angle of the triangle is 180 degrees. Types of triangles are: 1. Equilateral triangles. Three equal sides and three equal angles. 2. Isosceles triangles. Two equal sides and two equal angles. 3. Scalene triangles. No equal sides and no equal angles. 4. Acute triangles. All angles are less than 90 degrees. 5. Right triangles has one angles equal to 90 degrees. 6. Obtuse triangles. Has one angles more than 90 degrees. Next, quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides and four vertices. The sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Types of quadrilateral are: 1. Rectangle. Opposite sides are equal for right angles and opposite sides are parallel. 2. Square. For equal sides, for right angles and opposite sides are parallel. 3. Trapezoid. Two parallel sides. for parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. 5. Rhombus. For rectangles and opposite sides are parallel. Next, circle. A circle is a set of points that are equidistant from a point called the center. Components of a circle are: the radius is the distance from the center to the edge of the circle, and the diameter is the straight line across the circle through the center. That's all I can explain about plane geometry. If there are any wrong words or shortcomings, I apologize.